He's with both of you. That's why I'm here. God sent me. Look, I'm scared. I know you guys could kill me. That's why I know God's on your side, because he's making me do what I'm doing. Big Cat, Mr. President, I'd like to shake your hand. Nicky? Mr. Warlord? How about it? I've got one thing to say to you. God loves you.
Oh, yeah, now I dig it. You dragged this dude in here to pacify us. You thought maybe you was going to change our minds?
The only thing we're going to change is your lip. We're going to push it up into your nose.
Oh, wow. It's up his nose already. We're going to knock it down where it belongs.
Oh, just shut up!
It's bats, blades, and chains.
When all your worstest plans are made, you best sign up for Medicaid.
You better forget about Medicaid and start saving for your tomb.
God of yours preach. Is he on my side, too? What's he gonna do for me? On the mainliner. You know, the hot stuff. Heroin. A whole mountain of snow white. That's heaven. You just don't know what heaven's like, Preet. What do you got for me? Huh?
I don't have any magic cure.
Then what did you come here for?
Your good life, nobody knows.
They dig you, Davy, baby?
You say that love will change the world someday.
That?
Sure, I can swing with it. Used to play in the YMCA drum and bugle corps till they kicked me out.
Why'd they kick you out?
Found out I was a girl.
Oh. Wait a minute. Is that a church? David.
We have all been praying for you.
Have?
This is the preacher in the newspaper. This is David Wilkerson. I am Hector Gomez. I am pastor here. We have been practicing for the service. And this is my wife, Graciela. This is Isaac, Ruth, Israel, Samuel. Go on. Go on, speak to Paris. Shake his hand. Hello.
Oh, we are so glad to see you here.
So where are you staying?
Well, it took all the bread money of my congregation to get me here.
The cat sleep in his car.
Oh, no, you mustn't do that. That is very dangerous.
You must come and stay with us, Mr. Wilkerson.
Oh, no. Oh, it would be awfully nice on my back. It'd be nice to be near a phone, too. I'm having a baby. My wife's having a baby.
So are you are living in the city? This is your home.
Thank you.
Where do you live?
Oh, he's got his car parked in my parlor.
You don't have a home.
Yeah, I got a home. And I got 10 brothers and sisters. Better in the street, more room, and a lot more quieter.
So you will live with us, too. What is it? What miracle brings such a fine young man to our troubled streets?
Miracle? I was beginning to think it was pure insanity. But you people, you made me feel that maybe it was something good.